Hello, I'm Darielle Snipes with the CMSD News Bureau. Welcome to CMSD 360, a look at news happening around the district for the week of September 19th. CMSD CEO Eric Gordon will deliver the annual State of the Schools address on Wednesday, September 22nd at the Renaissance Cleveland Hotel on Public Square. The event is sold out, but you can still watch a live stream of the event at cityclub.org. The school board will hold its September business meeting at 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday, September 21st at the new John F. Kennedy High School, located at 15111 Miles Avenue. Open houses are this week. High schools, except for year-round schools, will hold their open houses on Wednesday, September 22nd, and pre-K through 8th and kindergarten through 8th schools will hold open houses on Thursday, September 23rd. Hours are 6 to 8 p.m. on both days. On Wednesday, September 22nd, Lincoln West School of Global Studies will hold a college and career fair at the school's gymnasium from 12 to 3 p.m. Approximately 15 colleges and 9 representatives from programs and career services will be on hand to speak with students and their families. Say Yes to Education and College Now will also be there to help global study families begin the financial aid and scholarship process. Also, early college, early career, and other career readiness agencies will provide information about career opportunities after high school. As a part of Hispanic Heritage Month, the school nutrition department will visit Luis Munoz Marin Dual Language Academy on Tuesday, September 21st, and International Newcomers Academy on the 28th during breakfast. Students will receive some prizes and get a chance to taste some new smoothie recipes. September is also Better Breakfast Month. As a part of that celebration, students from Franklin D. Roosevelt Academy and Beer Dual Language Academy will taste a new smoothie and give their feedback to the school nutrition department. The smoothie kits are provided by an American Dairy Association Mid-East grant. Dads, get ready to put on your walking shoes. On Thursday, September 23rd, schools throughout the district will participate in the 16th annual Father's Walk. On that day, fathers, grandfathers, and other father figures are encouraged to walk their children to school. The walk is a part of the Cuyahoga County and nationwide initiative designed to show how important it is for fathers to be involved in their children's lives. Dads should contact their child's school for details. Do you know someone looking for a job? The Cleveland Division of Police is accepting applications for school crossing guards. Crossing guards help children safely cross streets to get to and from their public, parochial, and charter schools. The guards are paid $20.50 a day and are eligible for health care benefits through the city. For information, call 216-623-5080. And parents are still needed to fill the role of ambassadors at our schools. Parent ambassadors will work both with school staff and caregivers as a liaison to build parent engagement.
I work with the principal and I work with some of the teachers, and we basically build alliances or relationships with the students too and the parents. And I've been able to connect with some parents regarding resources and different information about the district. They even ask my opinion about certain things. So I just try to build honest relationships, just to be able to engage with them and be supportive and greet them and give them resources has increased the engagement.
The position is part-time, about 10 to 15 hours a week, and pays $15 an hour. You must be a parent or legal guardian of a child currently enrolled at CMSD. To apply, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/face. Have a story about your school or student? Let us know by emailing us at newstips@clevelandmetroschools.org. On Tuesday, September 21st, make sure you show some love to the men and women who work in the IT department, as it is National IT Professionals Day. They work diligently and patiently to help us through our technology issues, and for that, we thank them. Well, thanks for watching CMSD 360. Remember to stay connected with what's happening around the district by following CMSD on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Have a great week.